my name is Mommy. How are you? Oh. How did you get in the house?
Because I don't have any friends.
Oh. Where are your friends?
They're gone because they're dead.
Oh. What happened?
I got one baby sister, but I want to lay them.
You're gonna what?
Lay them. So you have to make me a net.
Net?
Yeah.
What's that?
So I can make
A
because
nest.
I want to make a baby.
Oh, are you a lady parrot or a daddy parrot?
I am mommy parrot.
You're a mommy parrot.
So I
Can you
wanna
sing
know.
a song for me?
Yeah.
All right.
I come from the pirate ship.
Oh. Are you a pirate? Parrot?
Pirate.
Yeah, did you come from the pirate ship?
Yes, but the skeleton, because I'm scared away, because I fly away.
All right. Can you sing me a song, mommy parrot?
Okay. On the daddy Lord, on the pirate bird, and say to say.
That's a beautiful song, mommy parrot.
Thank you.
All right. Are you going now?
No,
What
I
else?
stay home.
Oh, really? So where are you gonna... What's your name, by the way?
Mommy parrot Chingy.
Chingy.
Yeah, Chingy. I said Chingy.
That's a cute name. What does your wings do?
Fly.
Ooh, you can fly.
Fly.
What else can you do? Do you have other tricks?
Yes. I can swim too.
Ooh.
When I'm blind, that means I can swim. Mommy, wait, I need to do this with it. So, what's your name?
My name is Mommy.
Don't forget. I said, what's your name? Like S. Start with the letter S.
Oh, you can guess. What's my name?
Your name's called...
Syra.
I said, not yet. I said, your name's called Syra.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh, all right. You guessed right. Okay. Can I touch you?
Yeah.
Touch. Ooh, you're very soft.
But
What
wait,
colors do you have?
I got blue, green, and 2 yellow.
Ooh, wow. Who are you? What's that in your back? Oh.
I think I'm gonna lay the egg.
All right. Bye-bye.
I'm going to wait for the egg to crack. It will be to 100.
Yeah, very long way. All right.
I mean to 100 to 1,000.
Oh,
It will be that.
all right. Bye-bye. Say bye.
No,
See ya.
I said we can still talk.
Oh. What else do you want to say?
I want to have some food. I like cookies and biscuits.
Ooh, well, your little girl in your behind you can give you some food.
Huh? What do you say?
The little girl behind you can give you some food, Mommy Parrot.
It's not here.
Okay, bye-bye.
No.
Not yet.
You have to find the little girl if you can. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
Did you show it?
No.
Do it again.
Boo.
She could